Hello, in this video we're gonna check if Fortnite is available on Nokia G11. So, as we all know, Fortnite is not available on Google Play Store, but we can still try finding it here. No results found. Now let's move to Epic Games app, which you can download from Epic Games Store website on any Android phone. Now here we can find the Fortnite. Let's click Get. But as you can see, the device is not supported, so that means you can't play Fortnite on your Nokia G11. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel. Leave a like and a comment below.